So, we have a whole moments later, guys.
Ay, gaman dito sa mga unahan.
Few moments later. So, we're going to the sa beach. We're going to the beach.
Pwede man dito. Sino ba kita dito bibinag dati? Wala pa man sa
resort.
wala pa. Wala pa kayo yung mga
Swimming in the water. Here.
Oo.
Ako yung easy talaga.
Para ng pagul.
Amo na yung bago. Amo na yung
Here.
Iyan kasi mabayad dyan no. Sige na, go na. May finish line.
Finish line sa iyo.
Kasi sakto, makaudok kita, may ano.
And
Ako duto ko rin.
CR lang. Pero magayon din yun. Kailangan man crowded.
Atap pa, Chichi.
Pero kita ka, boss.
we here now.
Pero ang ato, pero ang kids.
Driver, tayo naman driver. Driver, tsaka ang assistant driver.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Ang kids, baby, ano po, sinilan?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, tapos
Bayad ang par.
Pinanaki.
Ilang gulong niya?
Si Saiden.
gawa man lang anaki. Diba?
Kaya mo na pag sa Mesiya. Tayo ko sa bag.
Nagbablog ba yan?
Tandaan?
Edit mo yan sa...
Hindi na siyang edit ko lang.
Si Dylan sa bag.
Yung edit mo, ha? I-edit it. Put smiley on our faces. Interview mo lang.
Adiyo. Ayun.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Sa hindi.
Yung ganyan eh, ipapipicture tayo ikaw. You're gonna choose.
Sino din? Ano man lang?
And
man lang?
Bibi was sleeping.
40 man lang. Ano pag 1 minute?
Hindi pa ako makapasa. Ganyan, hindi magka-request, nag-interview pa.
Bros, Dylan is sleeping now.
Endorsement pa na si Easy.
And the ticket is... And screaming now here. You! Galing.
Ano? Final interview? Or initial pa lang?
Okay, parkingan man palang digding.
Ayos nga ni, kung yung mahiwas.
Ah!
Isus ko ako na di ka lang kasi sa edit.
Yan gonna be true.
Ate ako, may naglilinis, may nag-maintenance.
What? What, Dylan? Oh, I can see you. I see in the video, bro smiling. Bro is smiling like a Pennywise.
Yeah.
Huwag mo ibaba doon, baka lumubog. May laptop mo. Diyan lang sa may ulan.
Okay. Alright, bis nag-remind si ko.
Oh, wow. Ouch.
Pag bigay ko, ano pa ikikaya kayo?
What niya pala?
Our vlog. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go na, Dylan.
Ano lang po yun?
Finally, we're at the beach. We finally at the beach. We have a outing, bro. Yep. We have a outing. Oh my god, what the hell? It's so beautiful
at the sand, bro.
Yeah, maybe we're in Brookhaven now.
Now we Brookhaven. We Brookhaven, bro.
Do you want is this? A sand. That's a sand. Ah!
Ay, may mga salumpas ka ba, mama?
What do you mean, give me the... Bro, what do you mean, give me the... Bro, want see. Are we in the quicksand now? We're in the beach. Ah! Ay! Ako beach. Ay! Ay! Ay, in the beach. Look at this boat. Wow! Oy, miligo ka. So vibing. Pwede ka ma-swimming dyan? Ako man. Look at the swimming pool. Say it.
Swimming pool. It's the
What do you mean swimming pool? It's the water. Huh? Kari? Oh. Huh?